Hello and welcome to Fasal Kranti. You are watching Bulletin with Shahin Ali. So let's get the top news coverage. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday congratulated the newly sworn-in ministers and shared a picture with them with the Government for Growth hashtag. We will continue working to fulfill aspirations of the people and build a strong and prosperous India. PM Modi wrote, as many as 15 leaders took oath as cabinet ministers and 28 as ministers of state. As many as 15 of the 43 leaders took oath as cabinet ministers on Wednesday after the government decided to expand the union cabinet. Anurag Thakur, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Sarbanand Sonowal, Kiran Rijiju, Pashupati Kumar Paras, Narayan Rane and Hardeep Singh Puri were among the leaders inducted as cabinet ministers. Meanwhile, 28 leaders were inducted as ministers of state. Home Minister Amit Shah will take additional charge of the newly created Ministry of Corporation after the cabinet reshuffle that took place. Anurag Thakur has been made the Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Meanwhile, Kiran Rijiju has been made the Minister of Law and Justice. The capital and surrounding areas will still have to deal with the scorching heat. Heat wave conditions have been predicted in Delhi. During this, the maximum temperature can go beyond 41 degrees. According to the Meteorological Department, Thursday will be the fourth day of heat wave in the month of July. The weather is expected to turn from Friday. According to the Indian Meteorological Department, the maximum temperature may drop by 5 to 6 degrees till July 12th. It will start raining from Friday itself. Monsoon is reaching Delhi on 10th of July. A video of hundreds of tourists violating COVID-19 norms at Mussoorie Kempty Falls has gone viral. In the video, tourists can be seen not wearing masks and being in close distance with each other. Sorry to say this, but we deserve a third wave, an Instagram user commented. Common sense is not so common indeed, wrote another. After a video of 5-year-old boy scolding people for not wearing masks on a crowded street in Himachal Pradesh Dharamshala went viral, the local police made him their mascot for coronavirus protocol. The boy named Amit said, I would see policemen asking people to use masks. So I thought I should also do it as people were not following protocol. Now let's have a look on some agriculture news. Bharatiya Kisan Union President Gurunam Singh Charoni on Wednesday said, farmer unions agitating against the new farm laws should contest the Punjab Assembly elections. This can be presented as a sample, a model to show how a government can be run, which can act as an example for the rest of the country, Charoni added. Farmers now have only 22 days left to join the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. But there is also a notice for those who are holders of Kisan Credit Card and do not want to join the scheme. They will have to give written information in the bank by July 24 and tell that they do not want to get crop insurance. Otherwise, the bank will automatically deduct the insurance premium from the KCC loan amount. In this way, you may have to suffer loss. At the end, let's move towards some sports and Bollywood news. After ex-opener Gautam Gambhir changed his Facebook cover photo to a picture of him from 2011 World Cup final on MS Dhoni's birthday, fans questioned the timing. Reason is well understood, a user commented. Another wrote, I like the day this has been posted on. Earlier, Gambhir criticized our website for praising Dhoni's World Cup winning 6, saying it was a team effort. At the end, speaking about filmmaker Karan Johar, actor Jaideep Ahlawat said that Karan shows audiences a dream world through his films. He added, he once said that he never wants to show the audience realism. He wants to show them a dream world. I like that. Everyone has heard stories about how emotional he is about his dream world stories, Jaideep said. So that